Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile 757. If you're working on brig rotors and they got these infamous screws that I literally cannot stand right here and you can't get them out, you don't want to strip them. So what I do is I take the screwdriver and I take a hammer, and I'm doing this one hand, but I stick this directly in, and then I take a hammer and I bang on this like 6 to 10 times, and it's just like a hammer drill, and it loosens them up. If you've done it right, this should be effortlessly. And hold on for a minute, I'm doing it one hand, please forgive me. Come on. If you've done it right, you will take your screwdriver, whatever you got going on, and it should come out very easy. I'm doing this with one hand, so it's coming out wrong. But all you do, as you can see, it comes out very easy with a screwdriver. Again, I'm going to recap. And remember, I'm doing this with one hand. You take the screwdriver and you tap on it at least 10 times to loosen it up. And then you take your screwdriver or a drill and it will come out effortlessly. Otherwise, you're going to strip it. This is just a mechanic tip. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.